La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's sing a song, a happy sound about the things that can be found all around us every day in such a simple, fun way. A, B, C, D, come sing with me, learning letters happily. E, F, G, H, hip, hip, hooray, for everyday things every day. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce and we tread. C is for cup, full of hot tea. D is for door, it keeps us free. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fan, it blows cool and all. G is for guitar, strumming sweet. H is for hat, it keeps the sun away neat. A, B, C, D, come sing with me, learning letters happily. E, F, G, H, hip, hip, hooray, for everyday things every day. We sang from A all the way to Z, so many things for you and me. Let's sing again, shout out with glee. I is for ice cream, oh so cold. J is for juice, refreshing and bold. K is for keys, they unlock the door. L is for lamp, it gives us more. M is for mirror, where we see our face. N is for nose, where we breathe and taste. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for phone, where we make a call tonight. A, B, C, D, come sing with me,